Okay, in this problem, a concave mirror produces 2 times magnified image of an object and the image distance is 16 centimeter. Find the focal length. See here, in this question, the given magnification is 2 times and the image distance they given, and we need to find focal length. So for that, first we have to know object distance. Image distance they given, but they didn't give object distance. So we need to find the object distance. So for that, we will have to use the magnification formula, that is m is equal to minus v by u. So based on that, we will get u value. Later, we need to find the focal length. Okay children, let me proceed. See here, according to sign convention, of concave mirror, magnification m is equal to minus 2. Magnification m is equal to minus 2. So this minus indicates a real image, and the image distance they given, v value, what they given here, v value they gave, that is what, minus 16 centimeter. We need to find focal length. According to the given information, m is minus 12 and v is minus 16 centimeter. So we need to find focal length. So by using the magnification principle, m is equal to minus v by u. M is equal to minus v by u. Here the magnification they given, that is what, minus 2 is equal to minus of minus 16 by u. Okay, so if you want to know the u, then minus into minus plus 16 by minus 2. So 2 ones are 2 eights are. U is equal to minus 8 centimeter. Okay, we got the object distance as 8 centimeter and the image distance is 16 centimeter. So now we have to find focal length. So what is the mirror formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So already we know the values. 1 by v is what? V they given as minus 16 plus 1 by u, we got it now, minus 8. Okay, 1 by minus 16 plus into minus 1 by 8. So if we do the LCM of 16 and 8, we will get 16. Okay, minus 1 into 1 minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 1 minus 2. 1 into 2, 2 by 16. Then we'll get what? Minus 3 by 16. So 1 by f is equal to minus 3 by 16. So from that, f is equal to minus 16 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Left is 1. So 3s are 3 3s are 9. Again left 1, 3s are. So f is equal to, we have a minus. Don't forget it children. Minus is very important here. The focal length of concave mirror is minus 5.33 centimeter. Okay, focal length of the given mirror is minus 5.33 centimeters. Now I am going to give a small problem based on the same, that is as homework. Okay children, so the magnification is 8 times. It is a concave mirror children. Third question, concave mirror, you apply the sign conventions of concave mirror. Magnification is 8, you apply the sign convention, proper sign convention you need to apply. Okay, object distance is 10 centimeter and that's all. Magnification is 8 times. 8 times, u is 10 centimeter, you find the focal length. Okay children, magnification is 8 times and object distance is 10 centimeter and focal length you need to find by doing the same procedure of the second problem. Magnification they given, object distance they given as before first problem here. Okay, here we need to find image distance first. By using magnification formula we need to find image distance, later you apply the as usual method to find the focal length. Thank you, have a good day.